David right now. I go to class, but right now I go to shop for one snack. I'm ever hungry. I know so hungry too, you know. You have me ever hungry though. So anyways, that I go. Yo, guess what? Your big things are going for the weekend now. You're going to turn up now. So Monday on birthday, that's on March 19th, is my birthday, you guys. Now tell me say shop lock. Lord, that woman I can't open early, man. Shop backside. So now I forgot one different shop. I can't bother them something, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I hope everybody's having a good day. So I'll talk to y'all right now. But now, like, the sun is blazing hot. Morning sun and them something there. And people are upon me. I know what I'm upon me so far. So, yeah. And sorry I haven't been posting so regularly. I have been a bit busy and caught up, but I'm back on schedule. I try my best to be on schedule. I know y'all must understand that people get busy at times. I think I said that shop here like now. So my day box because I don't know I'm keeping it updated and so journey with me. That's what I'm gonna do for the rest of my day. So I reach a Trevor shop. I'm gonna check you back. Stops. One for the big one. Alright, give me the big one, the coconut one. Thank you. So you guys, I bought my rough tops. Which one you guys like? You guys like this one or the what next one name again? I can't remember right now. So anyways, this that one here. It looks kind of burn up still, but my business. You know, like it bake too much or something. Food are food, yeah, man. So, I will go back class now. People must have said, our pizza cake, and she just get up and left. Because my head hot. So, yeah.
We have that. Everybody? Everybody has feet right in there now.
Yes, you guys, at night time now. Oh, in the previous clip, no eating. I don't know, I'm unruly. Yeah. When I'm hungry, I'm have to yam. So, I have to sneak and eat food. Who not do that when them go high school or go school overall? Them say no eating allowed, they have to sneak and eat. No, I'm not sorry, so I can't see myself. But so, right now, I go check Lukey. If I'm having any dog food for my dogs, them. Yeah. Because my dogs and my dogs, them. So, that's what I'm going to do. Yo, every time I go over that youth yard, I might play a game. Oh, boy. I think I play a game, you know. I'm a real game, you know, but me a game too. But if you don't watch my snaps, on Snapchat, that's what I'm telling you for add me. You realize I'm a love game. But can't really play a game, but love game. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Ras, them lock up already. How are these? Man, general. Looky! Them can't go to bed so early. Seriously? Them not answer me. Rotted. Guys, I soon talk to you in the back, alright? After 40 hours of waiting. Hi! How are you? Okay. Well, Lukey. Good night, Mr. Fraser and Mrs. Fraser. Lukey sleeping? You have dog food, by the way?
Yes.
Pat them up for me, please. No, okay. Jenna. Jano. But never just tell him to say I'm come over here and play a game.
Just come on with
So why as we come over and play a game?
because this is my FIFA time. I do other things in the day.
Boy, them man I love them FIFA. I know some can't see me, so it makes sense to go and chat.
Football.
So guys, we're gonna watch Lucky play a little game. Which team and which team is?
Schalke versus Nuremberg.
And yeah, which one then?
Nuremberg.
So why you not score up on the man them dog?
The game just started, brother.
Them not watching out all of this, you know, just to give them a preview for see what you can do.
I know me attack. And I did.
The man them gave us, they never gave us 6 love yet?
Hell no.
How much you normally give them?
The highest I ever given my team on Legendary is
How much?
8. That was pre-season.
I video play a game because my life first, I was just saying, boy, you ever go over there, man, I play a game.
Life first, that's what you call it.
That's what I call that game, life first. You don't like the name?
Matter. It makes sense.
Yeah. Oh, it's not like say I want PSP, so them could I get a name and play it, though? Or I can
It
do.
does. My name's Lucas Savage.
So from them have their
this,
name, them
yeah,
can play with you online?
You can try to add me. It's an Xbox. So
Oh.
yeah.
So you're saying all Xbox users can go add him at?
I don't really matter to me. I just play online against anybody.
Him name I got there in the description box, so only can add him up. Only can do live chat on him somebody?
Yeah, we can.
Oh. So if you can't talk, you can say I'm sending over 2 months.
I only play FIFA though, so good luck for anybody else.
Thank you for the dog food.
So when you speak real love, you know what else over there?
You guys are always here. Look at the lights, man. I'm going to say, Luke, you don't go in bed early.
Oh, I did that. Oh, come on, come on.
Yeah, VIP, man. I've let in the VIP. Yes, I am. Bye. Now I'm going home. Get my dog food. My link Luke me anymore one reason and so. So run. So yeah. So when I reach up, I'll like talk to you guys a little bit, I guess. Mars and what part of them hours here? I don't know man a general. So that's what's up. So talk to you guys when I'm reaching, alright? You guys like right now, me in the vlog, I'm never in the vlog. So before I go to my bed, see me look tired, mash up and pop down. So I'm gonna pop things still, but you know mommy I just look tired, I'm gonna sleep. But I'm not gonna really sleep still, but you know I'm just gonna relax and watch some video and so before I end the vlog, tell me more and do this time around. I just want to be up everybody who support my channel, who like the video, them who comment, who subscribe, who share it with a friend. Yo, one of the real MVP. Big up on yourself. Tell you what to want so now carnival this Saturday and we can wine and beard things. Yeah. So if you have a carnival, you will carnival. Let me know in the comment box because I want to see who are gonna come. You are gonna there, you are gonna there, all we are gonna there. So make there you carnival I break up and like a eyelash them and so make sure you're there now. Come on, I love to see all of our part me and so yeah, yeah, more vlogs coming soon. That's a must. Obviously me I work hard even though I'm kinda busy with school and so, but mostly I try, you know, keeping it updated, but not but yeah, so yeah, thanks again so much for watching, you guys. I'm sorry for the late upload. I'm gonna try to edit this tonight and upload it tonight. If it's not tonight, I edit it tomorrow morning before I go to school or before I, you know. But yeah, Even though I forgot on the road tomorrow, so I might vlog that, but my school forgot. But anyway, some one back some for tomorrow, so stills. And thanks again so much, you guys. I really love you guys. I really appreciate you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, I would be right here talking to you guys right now. Although after hours still, but you understand, more the day you talk to me. Because if you never show me no support, no love or nothing, it's like you guys inspire me to do vlogging, to vlog or whatever. If I never phone me, I tell you, more the day is right now. But you guys, like, I'm for say, wanna give me confidence, you know? Like, might be myself, but you know what I say? But yeah, and the experience good so far because I mean, no fun, no. We tap on Snapchat, I give be a joke and be something. Someone not easy doing about, well, no, me attack, but I'm a Snapchat inbox. We do easy at all. So I don't know what we not think, but I don't want to know where I think about you. But yeah, anything else? Yes, you guys, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join the family, man. Join the gang. Join the notification squad. Join, yeah, and be a part of the lifers, aka that's my family, though. That's what I call you guys, lifers. I'm hoping I'm not really talking too fast for y'all, but if not, I'll try to slow down. So, anything else, I say? There's somebody need to go like that door before Lizard coming. Come afraid of Lizard, you know, but anyways, I think I'm talking too much now. So I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace. Little more. Yeah, big up on yourself. Yeah, so you are watching this. Big up on yourself, alright? Alright. What may I do? But yeah. Bye.